Alrighty, so here's my next update on my trailer. I've got my diamond plate in, and so been working on that, and I finally got the right side finished. And yeah, I finished that yesterday. And so what I'm about to do now is I'm going to take my little Link Electric MIG welder, and I'm going to go along the bottom, and I'm going to spot weld the bottom. And just because it didn't buckle out too bad, but just because of how I've got solid welded on the top and then tack on the sides, it kind of held it down. But just to be safe, I'm going to go back and I'm going to tack weld the bottom of it and all the way up through here. And you can see there's that one spot up here at the front. I tack welded it with the stick welder, but that's kind of hard trying to do a tack upside down like that. And so I'm going to use my little MIG welder to tack all this up together. And so as you can see, this last section, that's actually just one solid piece of diamond plate, 6 foot 10 inches long, so I cut it too. And I'm going to have to cut me a piece and size it up right there for that little section, make it match the rest of the trailer. And so hopefully it won't take me too long to go through here and just spot weld the bottom and everything, and then I can go start on the left side today. And so, as you can see, I've got we put the come along up to help pull everything tight yesterday. And so what we got right here, yeah, we ran the come along across it down underneath there. And so, see, the right side, the left side is not as bad as the right was, so maybe I can move along a little bit faster with it. And so I've already got, you can see a few sheets already I cut out with my new plasma cutter. Cut them out, got them sized up and ready to go. Only problem is I can't run a solid piece down this last run on this left side because there's that tube you can see right there that's got the wiring for the brake lines, the electric brakes, got all them inside there. So I'm going to have to make just two smaller pieces, or one smaller piece for that first section and then a bigger piece for the back. And so that's what I got going on. And so yeah, I'm going to have to get these stickers off right there. But they're so rotten anyway. I can just take my hand and just wipe it, just flake them off and everything. I guess I can take the drill and a wire brush and probably scrape them off and everything. Since the torch is still out of acetylene, we hadn't got it refilled yet, or hadn't exchanged bottles. And then I need to gonna weld up the front too. Gonna run same thing on the sides, 10-inch high diamond plate across the front. And so cover up, I'm gonna cover up all that rust right there. So that's the plan. And so, yeah, as you see right there, that's where I tack welded it right there on the bottom. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not. Hang on. I can't see, but somewhere along the bottom I tacked it right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. The sun's coming in on my iPad screen right here, and I can't see. But I love the way it looks and everything. And so, after I get all this tack welded back on there, I'm going to put my tires back on and then go ahead and take the jack stand off of it. And so that's the plan. And I got to put a new tack weld with my Lincoln electric welder right here also. I'm going to have to tack weld on a new bolt head for that right there to ground out my brakes. So I'm just going to put it right there, Just tack on a little head with a bolt. Just give that something to ground to. I'm not going to worry about running the whole entire bolt through the wall like the way it originally was. And so, I'll show you my new plasma cutter I got that I've been cutting out all this diamond plate with, and cut out first sheet right there, and then started on the second sheet already. Cut my long piece out of it. And that's my next Christmas gift right there. Was the Bosch Power Box radio, and I like it. I love it. It's got Bluetooth capability in it, so I can plug my phone up to it and play off that. It works good. And the plasma cutter I got was right here. This is what I got for Christmas. The Hobart Air Force 12 CI plasma cutter. It's got the built-in air compressor with it. And so, well, here it is right here. I like it. It's a good little machine. And it works good on that diamond plate out there I've got, because it's not thick stuff, and so it cuts real good on there. But see, it says it's rated to cut between 1/8 to 1/4 inch and everything. And so that diamond plate I'm cutting, I think it's a little bit thicker than 1/8, but well, it might be close to 1/8. I'm not sure, but it works good and everything. And of course, it's a 120 volt and everything, and so. And it's got the built-in air compressor with it and everything, so I don't have to worry about having to hook up the big air compressor right here to it or anything. And so, but it's a small machine. And of course, I've got all the cables taped up or wired up on it right now. Make it easier to carry, so they're not dangling everywhere and all that stuff, you know. And then, of course, also I did get this new welding jacket right here, Lincoln Electric jacket. And then, of course, that was my Christmas, you know. Got some clothes along with it, but that's my main stuff I got. The welding jacket, the plasma cutter, and then some tools, Craftsman wrenches, and then the little Bosch power box right there. But that's my quick update on my trailer. And so, now I'm going to go down and I'm going to start tack welding the bottom across here. And so, until then, or until the next video, stay tuned for more. And y'all can comment, rate, and subscribe.